So say it with hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about.
Yeah, people, so welcome back to Bells TV. Welcome back to another video. You see me, we know so you're already half low key with some video. You see me? But remember one time she in there asleep and she come with two big pot cover, you see me? And slam it on my ears. You see me? A good while now. So yeah man, she in there asleep now. So you know what I go on. You see me? So I've got to take time, put on the camera and thing. You see me? And then lie on the pot cover them. I want it close as possible to our ears. I try to take up VR phone to get a different angle, but I don't know. You see me? So I do remember that video coming on, she wake up. You see me? So we jump back on the chop now. You see me? Yeah. So we'll kick out the Sunday before 2 o'clock. You see me? Because I don't know, 2 o'clock curfew. We play some lockdown again. So yeah, people, as I say, two big pot cover. She inside asleep. But you think that they trouble. Alright.
Hello from. Hello from Primino. Hello from.
Well, she's a so people people that's for the Sunday. Oh shit. No, my camera. Oh. So beef. I eat that for the Sunday, you see me? You really along? You don't do. You see me? So like, comment and tell me say if this was a dangerous prank call. I should do it already, you know? But I'm going the extreme. You see me? So yeah. Oh, you know? She's balling because you see it. She on the YouTube and camera it.